Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this amazing PowerPoint slide which is also animated and easy to use by editing it. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide and you're going to go to format background and you're going to insert a background image which is going to be a gradient fill. So I'm just going to use this gradient. Next, we're gonna cover the entire slide. First of all, we're gonna insert one icon into our slide, like four icons. We're gonna choose four icons from the icons tab and then insert them. Be sure to use nice icons and increase the size that they fill the entire slide. We're gonna put them just side by side, one on top, one on bottom, and the other in the bottom as well. So like all of them, and then you're going to align them vertically and horizontally. Ungroup them, and next what we're going to do is cover them with a long circle. First of all, combine them, cover them with a rectangle, and next we're gonna send it to the back. Select the rectangle and then the shapes, give them combine option and the merge option. Change the fill to white and cover the half of the part of the slide with a rectangle as well. Changes fill to white as well. Next, what we're going to do is insert a text box in which we're going to write our text, which is going to be our title and subtitle and other stuff. We are just going to edit our text, change its font, and here you go. Now let's add our percentage right here. The next thing we're going to do is customize the colors and then duplicate our slide and move this rectangle upwards that the second icon is visible and change your text box. Let me share a tip with you so that you can easily move the rectangle in a straight line. Hold the shift key while holding the rectangle upwards. Next, we're going to customize our text and other stuff and replicate the slide again. Next, we're gonna again move the third icon into the slide and customize our text and percentage. Duplicate your slide into a last final slide and move the fourth of the icon upwards as well. And we're going to change our the title and select all of your slides, go to transitions tab and then give them more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. The link to buy this template is in the description below. You can buy this template and other many new templates from my Patreon link in the description below.